Well, greetings once again. Welcome to MTG Cards and Reviews. We're going to open up the final 2 packs for this Innistrad Midnight Hunt Collector's Boosters box, though, and take a look and see what's inside. So, let's get started. We got these last 2 packs here. These only last 2 packs to open up, though. Alright. So, let's see what we've got in here. And I am joined by my silent partner in this opening at this point, and that is one of my kids, though, who may or may not make any comments at this point, but maybe they will. Alright, so let's see what we've got inside the first pack. Shipwreck Sifters. I got the Brimstone Vandal. Arrogant Outlaw, Pax Betrayal, Gavany Dawn Guard, Lunar Frenzy, and then there's our basic land in foil. And our next card is going to be a rare. It's the Light Up the Night. Okay. We got another rare. Tomb Tyrant is our next rare in the commander slot in the borderless version. We've got another rare. Smoldering Egg. Okay. Tireless Hauler, Burly Breaker. We've got another rare. We've got Lisa the Forgotten Angel. Lisa the Forgotten Angel. Right. Okay. Another Bird of Mire, and this time in foil. And we got another rare. We've got Burn Down the House in full art foil version. And then our token in the back, Devil Zombie. Okay. Alright. Final pack. So thoughts here. Well, this has been interesting, though. It is really fun to open these, though. It's fun to open any packs, though. These are definitely a different treat, though, than what I've seen here with the other ones. Still kind of hoping to maybe get that final big item card in this set here with this last pack, though. So I want to thank you guys for joining. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, hit the bell to be notified when we upload new videos, though. And hey, maybe one of my kids will make an appearance, or at least a comment at some point, though. And I like this hobbling zombie here. They could hobble into the conversation, though, and say hello. Festival Crasher. They could also be a Festival Crasher. Plummet. Alright. Yeah. Foil Plummet there. And looks like he's falling down. Tavern Ruffian. Voldarian Ambusher. Vengeful Strangler. Then there is an island in foil. Right. Still love those lands in this set. Next card is a rare. Hey! Finally got one of these. The Haunted Ridge in foil. That's our first land in this collector booster. That is both amazing and sad at the same time that it took 12 to find that one. Got another rare here. Visions of Ruin is our commander card. And another rare. And Burn Down the House. This time non-foil, borderless version. Harvest-Tide Infiltrator, Outlaw Liberator, and we got another rare. This is going to be Slogart the Overslime, second one out of this package though. We got then the Tavern Ruffian and Wake to Slaughter at the back, along with the Ooze and Zombie token. Alright, and now we're going to throw the Ooze and Zombie token away. Hey, thanks for joining though. This has been a lot of fun. Hopefully you get a chance to join again. Check out our other videos though. And again, have a great day. Thanks for subscribing and watching though. Don't forget to comment. Oh, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video.